G'day, my name is Almanzo and I'd like to show you the pneumatic upgrade kit available on our manual cattle crushers. So you have simple air lever controls. In this case we've got the headbail and the sliding gate. So this system only requires compressed air and it comes with an overhead scale pendant with a lockable storage cupboard and where you can mount your scale indicator. In the case you didn't have compressed air, you can still operate the headbail with the mechanical handle. This is because the air rams are only doing the pushing and pulling. It still relies on the mechanical lockbox. Other pneumatic functions such as the drafting gates and the parallel squeeze can also be added, so you have the controls right in front of you. If you'd like more information on our range of cattle handling equipment, please get in touch and we'll be happy to help.